Isabela province was buffeted by strong winds and heavy rains after severe tropical storm Kristine made landfall earlier this morning. At least 22 barangays in Ilagan City were left flooded after the rivers overflowed. Elaine Fulgencio has that story.
These branches were toppled by the strong winds brought by Typhoon Kristine. The heavy rain came in bursts. The surroundings were also dark because the power had been cut off in the area. According to the Isabela PDRMO, even though Typhoon Kristine made landfall in Divelacan, it did not cause significant damage. Only a few trees were knocked down, but no areas were reported to have been flooded. However, in Ilagan City, 22 barangays were flooded. Included in the flooded areas were parts of Barangay Bagong Bayan. Even livestock such as cows, chickens, ducks, and pigs were evacuated. According to Ilagan CDRMO, the city is a catch basin. That's why even if the rain isn't too heavy, water from higher areas accumulates here. The number of residents in the evacuation center has now reached 2,000. But there are a few who decided to stay with their relatives.
Maulanan, kawawa naman ng mga baboy. Kailangan na makisiksikan pa kami doon.
The Pinakanawan River has also overflowed to Bacolod Bridge. Flooding in some parts of Barangay Bacolod has gone above human height. News 5 caught up with a father who was crossing in a boat. He said they had already evacuated but he needed to return to get his chickens.
Yung mga alaga namin, kasi sayang naman pagpabayaan mo sila.
Winds and rains in Ilagan City have since weakened. There have been no reported casualties or missing persons due to the devastation caused by Kristine in Isabela, and relief goods continue to be distributed to affected residents. Reporting for News 5, Elaine Fulgencio, We Are One News.